Hello people, just doing an upgrade on my rain barrels here. What I did was I took off the soft foam mesh I had in here, and I put some screen in to catch the debris from the tiles on the roofs and everything that comes down there. Now, over here on the other side, I did my upgrade here. I added 2 more barrels. You can see, same barrels, 32 gallon. 32 gallon. Now let's take a look over here. Put a screen, and you can see it's full. The mesh was leaving debris in the bottom. That's why I changed it. There's water in there. Water in there. Now the new ones, I'm still waiting for rain. I got a little water in this one. Still waiting on rain to come. And this one's empty. Now over here, I use 3/4 PVC. It's a little bigger than an inch cut. And I'm getting an inch cut. I use this drill bit. It's an Ace. It's an Ace drill bit. It's a 1-inch circle, and it has a drill in the center. You know. But what I use this for is cut the hole. To cut the hole and put the 3/4 inch pipe in, and it makes it really snug. It makes it really snug. And see if I can. It's hard to see. Over here you can see it's not cracked or anything, and it's very tight. It's very tight seal on there. And over here I used the spigot on 2 barrels. I used this 1-inch drill to make my hole. And I put the spigot here. These 2, I'm doing away with the spigots because I use a submersible pump. I put the pump in there. I pump out my water wherever I want it. And the submersible pump hooks up to the to my hose, and everything gets put in the barrel. I use my running it off my solar panels, and it really works pretty good. I hook it up to a sprinkler. I water my yard, my trees and stuff. I water all that stuff. Well, thanks for watching, and have a great day, people.